There's nothing like homemade sausage gravy on a homemade buttermilk biscuit. Come with me, I'm going to show you how to make it. Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making homemade sausage gravy. I've already got my sausage cooking. It's almost done. Let's turn it down here. This is 1 pound of breakfast sausage. This is 1/4 of flour. And I'm gonna mix. Get that flour cooked in there a little bit. When you're making sausage gravy, you don't drain it because you need that grease to make your roux. So we're just mixing that flour in there and let it cook a little bit. Now I want to add the milk. A little bit at a time. I'm going to let it come up to a boil. And put the salt. Put plenty of pepper in it. We're going to let it come up to boil and it'll start thickening as it cooks. Just keep stirring. See, it's getting thick. I'll turn it down to simmer. The gravy is done. It just took less than 10 minutes. And we're going to spoon it up on a homemade buttermilk biscuit that I made earlier. And you can find that recipe down in the comments. Don't that look wonderful? That gravy, it's thick with that sausage on top of a biscuit. Can't get no better than that. I'm gonna taste it. It's a little hot right now. Ooh. It is so good. There's nothing better than homemade gravy. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite gravy is to have on a biscuit. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.